This is, again, a very quick. Hey everybody, welcome back to Growing Organic. Alright, today what I'm going to be doing is harvesting some bok choy. You can see right here. It's also known as Chinese cabbage. Cook it fresh, stir fry, pickling. And what we're going to do is stir fry this. I also have some kale over here that needs to be picked as well. You can see I can get a little bit off this. I'll probably get like a pick. Let's go ahead and just grab some of these now. And we're gonna do a Chinese style stir fry. So I'll get probably like 5 or 6 of these outer leaves here. It looks like I need a little water. It seems kind of dry. So I'm gonna get the bigger ones and just keep letting the smaller leaves keep growing. I believe this is a Siberian curled kale or Scotch kale. I'm not quite sure, I lost the label, but it's got kind of that blue color and curled leaves. So we got about, let's see, this much. I got about 6 or so of these. Let's go ahead and put those in here. Beautiful kale. So we're gonna do a Chinese style stir fry. Let's go ahead and pick some of these. What I like to do is just basically just peel it back, just break them off about like that. I'm gonna get maybe 10 or 15 of these leaves, and then take them inside, clean them up, rinse them off, trim them a little bit, and get ready for the stir fry. I'm gonna make a delicious stir fry that you guys are just gonna really like. Chinese style. Now you can do this with a couple of small plants like this. Every week I can pick probably this many leaves and do a little stir fry dish. And a lot of people may not like bok choy or eating these raw, but I promise you, after this, you try this dish, you're gonna really think twice about not liking bok choy. This is delicious. Let's get a couple more. So again, I'm just picking from the outside. That allows me for this plant to just keep growing. A lot of people will cut the entire plant down, but then you don't have anything else to harvest from. This way I can continually harvest off this plant. So that should be pretty good. Down here I also got a bunch more kale growing. Okay, that's a good amount for the stir fry. Let's take these inside. I'll clean them up and we'll chop these up and get started for this Chinese style stir fry with bok choy and kale. All right, I got 1 clove of garlic cut up here. Also, what I'm gonna put in here is a little bit of ginger. I don't have fresh ginger, but I do have a little bit of organic ground ginger. Don't need a lot of it. So you can see, you can hear this olive oil starting to really sizzle. Let's put in the little bigger bok choy pieces here. That's what we want to see right there. Throw in garlic. Go. Let's do ginger. Stir that around. It's gonna splatter a little bit. Now let's go ahead and throw in the kale and the bok choy. That's already smelling really good. Putting a little more oil in there. This is a stir fry, so you really want to hot temperature, a quick cook. So this is, again, a very quick, easy dish. It literally only takes a few minutes. Excellent little side dish. Let's go ahead and throw in just a little bit of this oyster sauce. Don't need a lot. That's probably enough right there. Stir that in real good. Again, it's still up on pretty high heat. So this is just about ready. Again, quick, organic kale and bok choy stir fry. This is to be considered a Chinese style, and the bok choy is actually called Chinese cabbage. So it is a Chinese typical plant. Chinese cabbage. That's done. Let's go ahead and serve this. Okay, let's try this out. Straight from the garden. This was growing just 5 minutes ago. This was in the garden growing. Let's try this out. Wow. That's good. It's amazing. That oyster sauce really makes a difference. Even if you don't like vegetables typically, I guarantee you'll like this. Don't let your vegetables just go to waste. Make sure you're eating your organic vegetables daily. This is extremely healthy. Garlic, ginger, fresh organic vegetables. Oh, look at that butterfly. All right, time to eat. Time to eat. This is delicious. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Get out and grow yourself some bok choy, Chinese cabbage, and some kale. A couple of the most healthy things that you can be eating, and no excuse not to be growing this and cooking it, and you'll be very happy you did, I'm sure. All right, thanks everybody. We'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna finish this off. Oh yeah, don't forget to hit subscribe, click like, and we'll see you on the next video.